Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down in a quiet place away from light and noise. Once you're settled, feel free to adjust your position if you need to take a deep breath. Fill your lungs and hold it for a second. Now, exhale and close your eyes. Let yourself relax. Let go of the superficial tensions in your body and let your shoulders relax. It's good to relax today, to prepare for learning English. Now place your awareness on your eyelids. You know that you can relax these eyes wonderfully. You know that you can relax these eyes so deeply that as long as you choose to, keep this relaxation. The eyelids will simply no longer function. And when you know that you have done this, keep this relaxation and give it a good try. Sure, they don't work. And notice how they feel. Really test them. That's okay. That's good. Stop trying and let yourself relax even more. The quality of relaxation that you have created in your eyes is the quality of relaxation that I would like you to let go of in your entire body. So take this relaxation and bring it to the top of your head and send it down your body. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Let go of every muscle. Let go of every nerve. Let go of every fiber. And let yourself drift much more deeply relaxed. There you have it. Now let's really deepen this state. In a moment, I will ask you to open and close your eyes. When you close your eyes, send a wave of relaxation through your body so quickly that you will allow the physical part of yourself to relax 10 times deeper. Want it and you will have it. Let your eyes open and close your eyes and really let go. Feel your body relax even more. You are doing very well. In a moment, I will ask you to open and close your eyes again. At the moment you close your eyes, double this physical relaxation. Let it really develop in you twice as deeply. Let your eyes open and close. Deeper, relaxed. In a moment, we will do it one more time. And notice how this will happen all by itself as you learn how simple all of this is. Double it at least. Very well. Let your eyes open and close and let go. That's good. That's good. Now the body is really relaxed, so let's let the mind relax. That's really what we want to do. When your mind is relaxed, you can really achieve anything you can imagine within certain limits. Of course, a relaxed mind that will allow us to listen to this new English course and better understand its vocabulary. Let's go now.
Phrasal verb, get. Hi, Dear students, let's delve into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs using the versatile word, get. These expressions add nuance and depth to everyday English. I'll provide explanations and examples for each one. Get up. Meaning, to rise from a sitting or lying position. Example, every morning, I get up at 6 a.m. to start my day. Get something across/over. Meaning, to successfully communicate or convey information. Example, during the presentation, I struggled to get my point across about the importance of sustainability. Get out of. Meaning, to avoid doing something. Example, he always finds a way to get out of doing household chores. Get around. Meaning, to move from place to place or find a way to overcome obstacles. Example, in a busy city, it's essential to know how to get around using public transportation. Get through to. Meaning, to successfully communicate with someone or make them understand. Example, despite numerous attempts, I couldn't get through to my stubborn neighbor. Get on something. Meaning, to board a vehicle or mode of transportation. Example, let's get on the bus and head downtown. Get about. Meaning, to move around or travel. Example, during summer, we love to get about and explore new places. Get something back. Meaning, to retrieve or recover something that was lost or taken. Example, I need to get my book back from my friend before the library closes. Get back at somebody. Meaning, to seek revenge or retaliate against someone. Example, after the prank, she was determined to get back at her mischievous brother. Get along/on with somebody. Meaning, to have a good relationship or rapport with someone. Example, despite their differences, Jane and her brother get along quite well. Get back into something. Meaning, to resume an activity or interest after a break. Example, after years away, he decided to get back into playing the guitar. Get over something, difficulty. Meaning, to recover from a challenging situation or emotional distress. Example, it took her a long time to get over the loss of her beloved pet. Get away with. Meaning, to escape punishment or consequences for something. Example, he cheated on the exam but somehow managed to get away with it. Get across. Meaning, to successfully convey an idea or message. Example, the teacher used visual aids to help get the concept across to the students. Get ahead. Meaning, to make progress or gain an advantage. Example, she worked hard to get ahead in her career. Get after. Meaning, to scold or reprimand someone. Example, the coach constantly gets after the players to improve their performance. Hi Jane, how are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. I just got back from my trip to Italy.
Wow, that sounds amazing. How did you get around there?
I mostly used public transportation. It was very convenient and cheap.
Did you see any famous landmarks?
Yes, I visited the Colosseum, the Vatican, and the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
I'm so jealous. I've always wanted to go to Italy.
Maybe you can go someday. You just need to get ahead in your work and save some money.
That's easier said than done. I have so much to do, and so little time.
Don't worry, you can do it. You just need to get up early and get after your tasks.
Thanks for the encouragement, John. You're such a good friend.
You're welcome, Jane. I'm glad we get along so well.
Me too. By the way, can I borrow your English book? I left mine at home.
Sure, no problem. But can you please return it tomorrow? I need to get it back before the test.
Of course, I promise. I won't get away with keeping your book.
Thanks, Jane. I appreciate it. Here you go.
Thank you, John. You're very kind. Hey, do you want to join me for lunch?
Sure, why not? Let's go.
Okay, great. Let's get out of here then.
Wait, before we go, can I ask you something?
Sure, what is it?
Do you remember that guy who was rude to me at the party last week?
Yeah, I do. He was such a jerk.
Well, I found out his name and where he works.
Really? How did you do that?
I have my ways. Anyway, I want to get back at him for what he did. Do you want to help me?
I don't know, John. That sounds risky. What do you have in mind?
Nothing too serious. Just a little prank to make him look silly.
Like what?
Well, I was thinking of sending him a fake email from his boss, telling him to wear a clown costume to work tomorrow.
What? That's hilarious. But also mean.
Come on, Jane. It's just a joke. He deserves it.
I guess he does. But what if he finds out it was you?
He won't. I'll use a fake email address and a VPN. He'll never trace it back to me.
Okay, fine. I'll help you. But only if you promise to stop after this.
I promise. Thank you, Jane. You're the best.
You're welcome, John. But you owe me one.
Deal. Now let's go and have some fun.
Okay, let's go. But first, can you explain to me how to use a VPN?
Sure, I'll try to get it across to you. It's not that hard.
Okay, thanks. I hope you're right.
Trust me, I am. Come on, let's go.
Good job, everyone. You have successfully completed the hypnosis session. Now we are going to gradually wake you up. As you count backwards from 10 to 1, you will begin to feel more and more alert. 10. Your mind is becoming clearer. 9. You are starting to feel your body again. 8. You are feeling more focused. 7. Your body slowly wakes up. 6. Your muscles are becoming more energized. 5. You are feeling more and more like yourself. 4. You are feeling really refreshed and energized. 2. You are ready to return to your normal activities. 1. Open your eyes. You are feeling great. You are alert and focused. You are ready to take on the world.